our Pinoy Henyo Masters, PMPC Star Awardees, Best Game Show Host, Vic Soto, and Best Male TV Host, Joey De Leon!
Hoy, halika na, best.
And the worst voice-over.
The worst voice-over, Alan K.
Alan K.
Tawagan muna natin yung stewardess natin.
Ito, foreigner din to.
Ay na! Hindi nga eh. Hoy!
Are you a foreigner?
No, sir.
You like foreigner?
Yes, I love Brazilians.
You like Brazilian?
Totoo. Totoo talaga. Nagumpisal. Why do you like Brazilians?
Because they're so pretty. Look at Diana.
Ah, you like girls?
Oh.
Huh? You like girls?
Is the...
Pwede.
Is it clean?
Is it clean?
I think she's clean.
No, not her.
I think
No,
she's
the
clean.
food.
Yeah, we know when you do Brazilian, you will be clean. I know, we know that. Oh. Okay.
Okay, so what's her food?
Mapunta yan.
I have here Toron.
Hoy!
Uy! Your turon is long, huh?
Ah, long, but they looks very old. And, look.
What?
Also,
Oh.
It's kinda...
Ito ba'y nabinyagan, ha? Hindi, ibig
Di pa,
sabihin.
wala pa
Wala pa
kumakain.
kumakagat. May
Oh,
kumakagat
ikaw na ang buminyag dyan.
Okay.
Yeah, try. You like turon?
Ayaw pa. Pero teka muna, hindi pa ako tapos. Ayaw pa lumabas ng saging.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Maraming balat, masyado.
Oh, okay. Ayun na.
Ayun na. Lumabas na.
Is your turon yummy?
yes, my Toron is yummy
What?
and awesome.
Oh, it's Osang again, huh? Si Aling Osang ang nagluto nitong turon na to. Okay. That's clean, huh?
It's clean. I washed it.
Okay, very good.
Wala lang ka.
Wala. Turon.
Okay.